Good morning, children. Hope you all are well. In class nursery, you have learned to write A to Z, isn't it? Now, in this class, we will going to learn small letters of English. Capital A is written as small a. That is A for apple, A for ant, A for ambulance. Capital B is written as small b. That is B for butterfly, B for ball, B for bee, B for balloons. Capital C is written as small c. That is C for candle, C for chicken, C for carrot, C for cake. Capital D is written as small d. That is D for dog, D for drum, D for duck, D for dolphin. Capital E is written as small e. That is E for elephant, E for egg, E for envelope, E for eggplant. Capital F is written as small f. That is F for fish, F for flower, F for frog, and F for fence. Capital G is written as small g. That is G for grapes, G for guitar, and G for gift box. Capital H is written as small h. That is H for house, H for hat, H for hippopotamus, H for hammer. Capital I is written as small I. That is I for island, I for ice, I for ice cream, I for igloo. Children, I hope you recognize the small letters properly. Now we are going to match capital letters with small letters. Capital A with small a, capital B with small b, capital C with small c, capital D with small d, capital E with small e, capital F with small f. Now we are going to recite a rhyme ABC song. Come little children, come to me. I will teach you ABC. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. I hope you recognize the small letters properly and Learn the poem. यह हिंदी का पहला वर्कशीट है। आज हम इसमें स्वर की पहचान चित्रों को देखकर समान अक्षर से मिलान करके करेंगे। चित्र देखकर पहले अक्षर से मिलान कीजिए। अ से अनार, आ से आम, इ से इमली, ई से ईख, उ से उल्लू, ऊ से ऊन, री से ऋषि, ए से एक, ए से ऐनक, ओ से ओखली, और से औरत, अंग से अंगूर। यह हिंदी का दूसरा पृष्ठ है। इसमें हमें समान अक्षरों से मिलान करना सीखना है। आ उ ऊ, ई ए ओ। अब हम हिंदी की कविता याद करेंगे। कविता का शीर्षक है मम्मी पापा। मम्मी पापा प्यारे प्यारे, हम उनकी आँखों के तारे। पापा मीठे फल ले आते, बड़े प्यार से हमें खिलाते। मम्मी नहलाती दुलराती, ताज़ा खाना रोज़ खिलाती। बच्चों, मज़ा आया ना ये पोयम याद करके? आई होप आपको ये वर्कशीट अच्छी लगी। दिस इज़ आवर मैथ्स फर्स्ट वर्कशीट। In this worksheet, I will teach you how to count and match. We count the objects and match with their related number. We are going to count like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. There are 18 objects in this box. Let's match with number 18. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 dogs in this box. Match with number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 bags in this box. Match with number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 butterflies in this box. Match with number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 balls in this box. Match with number 10. Children, do practice this worksheet with your parents. I hope you enjoy it. We are learn parts of body name and question answers of conversation and moral values. Lesson first, body parts. Head, eyes, nose, neck, shoulder, arm, fingers, knees, foot, hair, ear, mouth, chest, elbow, stomach, leg and toes. Come on children, now it's your time to point your eyes. Where are your eyes? Yes, here are our eyes. Now tell me, where is your nose? Very good. Here is our nose. I hope you enjoy it. Now we are going to learn question answer of conversation. Question: what do we need to smell? Answer is, we need the nose to smell. The next question is, why do we need our eyes? Answer is, we need our eyes to see. Now we are learn moral values question answer. Question is, who made us? Answer is, God made us. Who is God? Answer is, God is our Heavenly Father. Parents are requested to practice these worksheets with your children. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.